Good evening, friends. Uh, this is a video which will describe a market tendency to you, something which is applicable in the markets that we have today. May not work in all markets, but in today's market, it works 100% of the time. So, let's go and get started on what I am going to tell you. These are small, as they call it in Hindi, totka, or in English, tactic, that if you keep in mind, you don't need to, get involved with fancy theories. Now, this is the Nifty futures chart. It is still moving right now because this includes the SGX Nifty. So let's see what I want to tell you. This is the 20-day moving average, which is at 45-degree angle. Okay. Now, because it is at a 45-degree angle, the trend is clearly up. The issue with most people is that the moment they see a red bar, they want to sell, they want to call the top of a rally. But actually, if you use the red bar as a signal to buy, you buy into all red bars. Okay, you bought here, you bought here, and finally the power of the trend resolves on the upside. So how do you buy? You buy an in the money option, and within days you are getting higher prices. Now one day it will not work. So till that day comes, and for right now, the next short term low is your stop. So for the moment, unless you are breaking this 11,250 type of zone, you just keep buying on every red bar. The day the market goes below 11,250, matter ends. Okay, don't worry about all of this, that the market has closed at the lows of the day, it has come off the highs of the day. That is what you want, right? That will get the long positions out. So if you bought on each one of these red bars, you made money almost immediately. Okay, so whenever you see a red bar, jump in and buy, you know the in the money call. So you are at 11,600, and the market, like today, it fell to 11,550. So immediately buy the 11,500 call without worrying about anything. If you keep doing this, finally you will always end up ahead. Now, off late, the bank Nifty has also started to move on the upside. Instead of doing very complicated analysis, now bank Nifty is moving up. So this is now beginning to move at a 45-degree angle. Why? Because it's coming out of here. So on any day, if you see a red bar, just jump in and buy calls. And because the trend is now beginning to gather steam, within days, the bank nifty will resolve on the upside. And now you should not allow bank nifty to go below basically 23,000. Okay, large stop, but basically if you are buying a call, your premium is to the extent of the call premium. And I am suggesting call buying only from a monthly perspective. So don't get into this weekly business because the stock may decide to consolidate for 3 days out of the week. If you think monthly is expensive, write the 1,000 point higher call against it. So then your 800 point rupee call becomes 400. 400 call you will have to take 400 rupee premium. So this is the broad point I want to bring out. I think it works even on individual stocks. So something like uh, if you buy into a Bajaj Auto, 20 DMA is at 45-degree angle. So each time you buy at a red bar, the power of the trend will take you up. So you are buying an in the money call option, but where you are getting a higher low, higher high. The sharper the 20, the better your trend. So this is a tactic which you can keep in mind for all trending stocks as well as trending indices. So I would think this will improve your trading because at least you will not get into choppy stocks or stocks which are in consolidation. I hope this little video gives you certain ideas because 80% of your trading mistakes will not happen if you are simply in the direction of the 20. That should be it for this short video. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.